Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today will be System Test 4. Before I get into the system test, I'm going to show some of the alarms that are on the system. Starting up here, I have a system sensor S241575 strobe. Right here is a Simplex 299 T-bar. Right here is a Monaco Enterprises SP-1. This is a rare T-bar. Up here is a Wheelock 7002T-24 horn strobe. And is another SP1 Monaco Enterprises. To start the system test, I'm going to pull this one first. 3, 2, 1. Alright, the next device is going to be the Simplex T-bar. The last pull station we're going to be pulling for this test is the Monaco Enterprises by the garage door. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and that's it for today's system test. Also, a new alarm I got. It is a Gamewell speaker strobe. It's a ceiling mount. Got this one today. And I tested it with this amplifier and it works great. Alright, and that is the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and like.